Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that Samsung refrigerator owners might face: the dreaded error code 41. If your fridge is displaying this code, don't panic, it's often fixable with a few simple steps. In this video, we'll break down what this error means, why it happens, and how you can resolve it yourself. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is error code 41? This code typically indicates a problem with the defrost system in your Samsung refrigerator. It could mean the defrost heater isn't working properly, or there's an issue with the defrost sensor or thermostat. Essentially, your fridge is struggling to complete its defrost cycle, which can lead to frost buildup and inefficient cooling. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common culprits include a faulty defrost heater, a defective sensor, or even loose wiring connections. Environmental factors like frequent power outages or improper ventilation around your fridge can also trigger this error. If your refrigerator is older or hasn't been maintained, that might be playing a role too. Alright, onto the solutions. Start with the easiest fix. Unplug your refrigerator for about 5 minutes to perform a power cycle reset. This can clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, grab a multimeter and check the defrost heater for continuity. If it's not reading correctly, you might need to replace it. Next, inspect the defrost sensor. It's usually located in the evaporator compartment. Clean any frost or debris around it and test it with your multimeter. Don't forget to examine the wiring harness for any loose or damaged connections. Secure them if needed. If you're not comfortable with these steps or the error persists, it's time to call a professional technician. They can diagnose deeper issues and ensure everything is safe. Remember, always prioritize safety and unplug your appliance before troubleshooting. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing Samsung refrigerator error code 41. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.